Hi, my name is Sharon. My 12-year-old son Daniel took the AlligatorZone course this summer. We both enjoyed doing this. As a parent, I wanted Daniel to get exposure to what is an entrepreneur, what do they do, how do you come up with an idea, how do you bring an idea, build the idea, and maybe sell the idea. I wanted him to learn how to think creatively and out of the box, and to be able to walk into a store and look at something and say, this is a good idea, why it's a good idea, and look in a store and say, boy, that's a bad idea, why are they selling that here? And we got all of that. He gained confidence by asking questions of all the great entrepreneurs who were kind enough to give us their time. We had some great teleconferences with a gentleman from Bakey's, which was really fun, learning about people's passion for their business and how you need to be able to pick yourself up when you get knocked down, and when you have an idea, that it's not going to be an overnight success, that you need to work hard, sometimes 8, 10, 12 years before that idea becomes reality. And I think especially with this young generation who get instant gratification in a video game, they need to learn that things are hard, life is hard, and you don't get payoff immediately. And so I think that was also a very valuable experience for my son. It was also helpful, I think, for us because we had to research our company so that we were smart and asked smart questions whenever we met someone either online or in person. So that helped him to learn how to prepare, how to be prepared. You don't just walk into a meeting with a piece of paper and no idea what you're doing. So we would talk about that. It was very adult-like conversations that we had about how to compose yourself in a business setting, and I thought that was really valuable. And we just liked having time together and doing something completely different than we would normally do. We would definitely do this again.